and Wednesday. So we want to get you the latest on that, the timeline, what you can expect. Plus, we've got big change in our temperatures. They're going to be dropping down to the 40s, and some of these afternoons are going to be quite cool. And of course, we're almost to the weekend, so we've got the latest on what you can expect with our weekend weather forecast all right here. So let's get right to it. We'll start first off with a look at what we're expecting as we go through and get closer to our first alert weather days. So we start out here with a peek at the rain and thunderstorms. They're coming in on Tuesday of next week. That's our time frame for it. And we are expecting with those thunderstorms for us to get some perhaps damaging winds and also some heavy downpours. So we can see those wind gusts up to around 30-40 miles an hour. Now we're still several days away, and it's not for sure that we're going to see severe storms or even strong storms, but we want to be the first to alert you of what we're expecting as we move through time. Here is the setup for us right now. The rainmaker yesterday, that has moved on to the east. That front passed on by. And notice we're watching a developing system across the northwest, and eventually that will be moving here into the mid-state. But we're still looking at some low clouds with us right now. Those should be eroding by later tomorrow. We do want to keep you updated on Tropical Storm Sarah, which is brewing in the Caribbean. And it is moving across land right now. It's going to be moving across part of Mexico there, across the Yucatan Peninsula. You can see where Cancun is located. The latest coordinates, statistics, we might want to say, 40-mile-per-hour winds right now. The movement is west at 10 miles per hour. And you can see that forecast keeps it over land. Of course, anytime it goes over land, it's going to weaken. And then it should come back out next week into the Gulf of Mexico. And there's the possibility we could see it getting stronger and perhaps rejuvenating, maybe a threat to the United States. So we'll have to keep a close eye on that for you. In the meantime, we right here at home are seeing clouds and chilly conditions. 57 degrees right now, a northwest wind at 10. We reached 64 this afternoon. Futurecast shows those clouds, how some of them erode, but we still have quite a bit of cloud cover as well by morning, with 44 degrees for the morning low in Nashville, and we'll go with 48 around Livingston. By afternoon, we should get more sunshine out. Some locations that have the cloud cover a little longer will stay in the 50s. In Nashville, I think we'll get right around 63 degrees for that afternoon high. And then we make our way into Friday. We'll see those temperatures dropping right on down to the 40s by Saturday morning, 42 degrees. Note we're going to have some 30s across the area too. So for some of you, it's going to be pretty chilly out there, but I don't think we're going to have our freeze yet coming up on Saturday morning. Beautiful sunshine and 67 during the afternoon on Saturday. Now let's talk about that next rainmaker. And by the way, our drought monitor came out today, and we still have some drought locations. We'll check that in just a few moments. But here's the futurecast for Tuesday, showing those scattered showers and some thunderstorms working across the area into the afternoon. And then we'll see maybe a little bit of a brief respite, more showers and storms coming in by the time we get to Wednesday evening and continuing through early on Thursday, and then all that starts to move out by then. Our evening forecast looks like this. We've got 52 degrees at 7, 54 right around 9, and 51 degrees around 11 o'clock tonight. And that morning forecast, get ready for a chill in the air. We'll start out things with about 44 degrees in the morning, 51 right around 8 o'clock. And then we go through the rest of the day, and there's what you can count on. About 61 degrees around 1, 57 there at 4 o'clock. And how about some Friday night football for you? It's going to be great. It's going to be jacket time, maybe even the stadium blanket, with temperatures there in the 50s dropping off to the 40s before many of you even leave that stadium Friday night. Here's a look at that weekend forecast. You're going to be doing fall things. 67 and sunshine. A chilly, chilly start, no doubt. 72 degrees for another perfect 10 weekend. Looks terrific. We'll do away with the rain this go around. Looks really, really nice. Hey, I told you I would show you that drought monitor. Let's take a look at that right now. This is what we're seeing Improvement, yes, improvement. Hopkinsville, Clarksville, Waverly, those locations, we don't have any colors on them right now. However, in Nashville, still abnormally dry. Over to Cookeville, you can see the orange shade colors, moderate and severe drought. And then to the south, we've got an extreme drought that still remains in effect. This is why we say we need more rain for sure. Let's get to that 7-day forecast and what you can expect. We are looking for just a really nice afternoon tomorrow. I think we'll get 63 degrees for the high, some clearing taking place. Chilly start coming up on Saturday at 42, 67 in the afternoon, and in the 40s on Sunday as well, with 72 for that afternoon high. Warming up to our warmest day on Monday, 74 degrees. A few more clouds start to move in. And then we've issued the first alert weather days on Tuesday and Wednesday for those showers and thunderstorms. And again, we're not expecting them to be severe right now, but we just wanted to be the first alert to get you prepared for this, just to make you aware that we've got some weather coming up next week. And then some showers will be lingering into Thursday. Note that temperature drop coming up on Thursday as well. And that is what is happening here across the mid-state. Thank you so much for joining me. I invite you to join me again on WSMV4 at 10 o'clock. You can catch that streaming on your favorite streaming service. You can also get it on our WSMV4 app, where we stream it there too. And thanks you to everybody who's watching the simulcast right now on my Facebook page and also on my YouTube channel. And you can check those out as well. YouTube is youtube.com/c/Lisa Spencer. Be sure to subscribe if you're there. And my Facebook page is right there. My handle that you see here as I leave you with our 7-day forecast is Lisa Spencer WSMV. Have a great night.